Hey everyone, Liam with LeadKast. Today's training video will be covering Social Kast right here. Social Kast is a button that is directly linked to your business page in Facebook. We are currently working on integrating with Twitter and Instagram, and we hope to have those active soon. Right now it's only Facebook. So what you can do, you can come here and you can post directly from within LeadKast. And when you post here, it will actually post on the business page that you have linked or synced to your LeadKast platform. Let me show you what this looks like. We'll just do something very basic, like check out this amazing house. All right. Go find a picture real quick. Here, got a picture. Click on post. Okay, you can see now it posted. Let's go over to that page that I have synced up to my LeadKast platform, which is this one right here. Let's hit refresh. And there it is. Check out this amazing house. That's it right there. Now, I'm going to delete this because I don't want this on my page right now because it's a test. Delete the post. But let me show you how to a way to actually use this system platform right here to get leads. So what if you were to do this? What if you just say, hey, check out this amazing new listing, right? And then you come in here and do the same thing I just showed you. Grab a picture. I'm not going to post it this time. And then click on and then what you do right here, guys, check this out. Shoot me a private message for more pictures and the address, right? So you're basically telling them to, send you a private message for the rest of the pictures and the address. Click on post. Well, that comes over here and it posts right here, right? Well, what they're going to do, they're going to follow the instructions because they want more pictures and they want the address. So they're going to send you a private message right here. Send message. And in this message, you would say, I would like more info. So this is what this person, if they're interested, they type in, I would want more info, right? Click on post. Okay. This would be the lead. This is the person that's responding to your post, right? Now what happens is when they respond to your post right here in a private message, watch this. See it turn blue up here? Click on this, and you'll see right here, I would like more info. Now I can converse back and forth with this person. I will send it to you shortly. What email address? Question mark. Click on post. Okay. All right. Now I'll come back over here to Facebook. Look at that. I will send. Now, what happens at this point, if this ends up being a good lead, you can just click this button right here and you can add that lead to your platform. Save changes. All right. We need to put their email address in, right? And once you put that email address in, let me put one in here. All right. Click on save. So now that lead that I've been conversing with back and forth right here on Facebook, because they replied to my post, is now a lead right here in my system, right there. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@leadkast.com. Thanks.